These are pretty spicy, so let's see how it goes. First bite. They're pretty hot. So right off the bat, you could taste like the spice. I'm going with the sausage. I think the pink packet is probably my favorite. These are the black ones, the black pack, the original ones. And I put like a little parsley just to kind of garnish it. Ooh, this is like hot. It's like getting in my throat. But I will be giving it a shot for you guys. Let me know if you guys do like these kind of videos. I still will be doing TikTok because obviously that's where I started off as, and I'm super nervous about YouTube. So I feel like TikTok is more chill. The sausage is kind of mellowing down the spice, I feel like, because it's not like a spicy sausage. You guys should comment down below what you guys would like to see me try. And I will try my best to eat that. So, I feel like most of you guys know me from TikTok. I love doing TikTok, so people kept asking me to do a YouTube channel, and I was super nervous because I feel like YouTube is super duper, it's more judgy than TikTok, so I was kind of scared. I still am pretty nervous, like my voice is shaking and stuff. But so on TikTok, it makes it seem like I'm like super, like I do love spicy, but like I could eat these like with no like fuss or anything, but my mouth does burn. You just like, it's just like a super easy quick video, so you guys can't really tell, I think. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys will subscribe and like my video, and until next time, bye.